Freddy Virgo here with lesson 5 from the Arduino kit. We now have back to our red LED through a resistor, but now we have two buttons. This one with the red wire is button A, and then this one with the blue wire is button B. And then our LED is connected to this orange wire through our Arduino. And now you'll see on the code, 5 is our LED pin, which was the orange wire, and then we have button A, which was the red wire, and button B, which is the blue wire. So we have the LED pin as an output, which will turn on our LED light when the conditions are met. Button A and button B are both set as inputs, so that'll be reading the value, but we have them set as pull-up. So when it's not reading anything, it'll by default read the higher voltage, which would be 5 volts. So by default, that one reads 1 rather than 0 in logic. And then we have our two ifs within our loop. Both ifs check where one checks button A, the other checks button B, and they'll check low. And since button A or B are connected over here to this big line of ground, which I've always connected through these white wires, when we push the buttons, it'll transfer from this side to this side, and then it'll read the red wire, which is button A, will read the white wire, which is ground, and when you push the B button, it'll read ground as well. So in the code, when those read the ground, it'll toggle the output from the orange wire, which is our LED pin, to when we push button A, it'll put it to high, which will turn on the LED, and when we push button B, it'll toggle it to low, which will turn off our LED. As you'll see here, our LED is off. When we push button B, nothing happens. When we push button A, it turns on. If we keep pushing button A, nothing happens because it's already on. But when we push B, it turns off. On.